Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, just available, we've got a loaded 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe LT four-wheel drive. It's got a brand new leveling kit and brand new 33s. These are mud looking tires, 33s, Gladiators, brand spanking new, not even 10 miles on them yet. It's also got the running boards, the chrome package, the luggage rack up top. In the back we've got the tow package, the backup radar sensors, so if you get too close to something when you're backing up, it'll beep at you. It's third row, 8 seats. It's got a little charging port in the back. Beautiful, beautiful red. Again, all the tires brand new. Gorgeous vehicle. Lots of extras. Including remote start. As you see, I just enabled there. Let's take a look inside. Inside, we've got power locks, power windows, power mirrors, heated seats, memory seats, power seats. The interior is leather. No tears or rips. We've got the heavy-duty WeatherTech floor mats. You can feel that air kicking in already. It's cold. You got your dual climate control. You can also adjust your different settings there. We've got a brand new Pioneer Bluetooth Sirius XM radio. Does have a remote. It's brand new as well, just installed. Dash has got a nice cover on it. It's got a sunroof. And there's your buttons for the sunroof. It's got 154,000 miles. You got your cruise control, your settings there for the Bluetooth. I am not sure if they are hooked up to the new radio or not. Can't guarantee that. Remote start on your fob, lock, unlock, rear, and alarm. Down here you got your power brake pedals, your backup radar, your traction control. Over here, your auto dimming lights, your fog lights, and your four-wheel drive button. Inside here, you've got a USB charging port and a 12-volt charging port, as well as some storage. As you can see, we put quite a bit of love into this vehicle. In the back, power windows. Again, with the heavy-duty floor mats. Bench seating in the back, which gives you that 8-passenger capacity. Or you got cup holders in the middle there if you'd rather. You've got rear air control as well as audio control. In the back, you've got another 3 seats right there. Again, with those heavy-duty floor mats. The leather in the back, no rips, no tears. Same as the very back. 3 shoulder strap seat belts in that row, 3 shoulder strap seat belts in this row. Again, WeatherTech floor mats in the front, heated seats on the passenger side, power locks, power windows, power seat, which does work. Again, no rips in the leather on the passenger side. Let's take a look under the hood. clean. Slightly air dust. Other than that, she's all clean. She's quiet. No engine lights on. Lots of extras on this one. Love to get you approved on it. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the credit application, and we'll get you approved. Or if you'd rather use your own bank, we'll work with any bank that wants to get you financed. Remember, trust the duck.